Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Alex and Virginia. We are continuing to learn more about Itax, and in this episode, my friend told me, okay, how can I know that my employee is submitting the amount he charges me for Itax? So I told him you can go to your Itax and check the amount your employee usually submitted, and it is usually submitted monthly. So the way you can go to your you can check if that amount is submitted monthly. You will have to go to your Itax login, then you go to my ledger, then you click general ledger report, then hapo chini kwa tax subhead you click all. When you click all, it will show all the transactions that your Itax has gone through, and kama ni monthly payment your tax your employer submit, you will see them there. But for this plan, the employer does not submit. So that is a good way you can check to see if employer anakuibia pesa ya bure. So this is an episode we are doing about tax returns, and if you want to know how to file tax return using the Excel sheet, I will teach you about that, and also I will teach you another simpler method that you can just use the Itax online method, which is much simpler. So till next time, see you there, and watch another video. We will link it here.